Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you could just have your attention for just a few moments, we want to point out the safety features of our Boeing 737-700. There is a safety information card located in your seat back or literature pocket. Please take it out and follow along. To fasten your seatbelt, slide that flat end into the buckle, pull on the loose strap to tighten. To release, lift up on the buckle, position your seatbelt, tighten low across your hips, and wear it anytime you are seated. There are 6 emergency exits. We have 2 forward exit doors, 2 overwing window exits, and 2 exit doors in the back. Signs overhead and lights on the floor lead to an exit. If an evacuation is necessary, follow flight attendant commands to leave everything. In the event of a water evacuation, use that life vest under your seat. Remove the vest only told to do so. Pull the red strap to open the container and remove the pouch. Remove the vest from the pouch as shown on the safety information card. Place that vest over your head. Wrap that strap around your waist. Buckle it in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside and only outside, pull down on the red tab to inflate your vest. Manually inflate low into the tube at your shoulder. Your vest has a light that turns on automatically in the water. Please refer to the safety information card for the use of a life vest on an infant. Flight attendants will distribute additional life vests if needed. We are coming by to check that your seatbelts are fastened, seatbacks and tray tables are in the full upright and locked positions, and all your carry-on items are stowed completely underneath that seat in front of you or in the overhead bin, leaving the area around your feet clear. Smoking is not allowed on board, including in the lavatories. The use and charging of electronic cigarettes is prohibited. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detectors in an aircraft lavatory. It is also prohibited to consume any alcohol that you may have brought with you on this flight today. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with lighted passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. Finally, if needed for oxygen masks, we'll drop from a compartment overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. Continue wearing your mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone needing special assistance, please put your mask on first before assisting them with theirs. If you are wearing a face mask, we ask you to please remove your face mask before donning on the oxygen mask. Once again, we are here for your comfort and safety. Please report any unwelcome behavior to your flight attendant. Thank you so much for your attention. We will let you now to sit back, relax, and enjoy your quick 56-minute flight to Oakland. We'll see you soon up in the friendly skies. Just before we take off, I am going to be dimming the cabin lights just a little. If you need an additional reading light, please look up above you and press that picture of a light bulb. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we have it cleared for departure. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.